morning. Myself Manoj Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, Government College of Engineering, Senkipatti, Tanjavur. Today we are going to discuss about protocol layering. So what is meant by protocol? Protocol is nothing but a set of rules both the sender and receiver and intermediate devices needs to follow to be able to communicate effectively. When the communication is simple, we need only one simple protocol. When the communication is complex, we may need to divide the task between different layers, in which case we need a protocol at each layer is called as a protocol layering. We will discuss about two scenarios in this example, in this topic. First scenario, let us develop two simple scenario to better understand need for the protocol layering. The first scenario is the communication is so simple that it can occur only one layer. We consider the example of Maria and Anne, both are colleagues working in same organization or same industry. For example, they only talk and listen. So imagine Maria and Anne are colleagues with lot of communication idea. Communication is between Maria and Anne take places in one layer, whether it's face to face in same language as shown in the diagram. Even in the simple scenario, we can see that set of rules needs to be followed between Maria and Anne. So what are the rules we can follow? So Maria and Anne should greet each other when they meet. So whenever the Maria and Anne meet, they should greet each other. This second should they should confine their vocabulary. It's nothing but they should confirm their language. Suppose both are confine their language. It's nothing but both are going to agree whether the language is maybe a Tamil or Telugu or English. So that each party knows she should refrain from speaking when other party is speaking. So one party starts speaking, the other one is listen. The other one starts speaking, the another one is listen. That is the protocol. The fourth, each party knows that the conversation should be a dialogue, not a monologue. You know what is meant by monologue is nothing but a acting and a expression. Act a expression is nothing but a monologue. The fifth, they should exchange some nice words when they leave. The second scenario, in second scenario, we imagine that Anne is transferred to some other company but needs to move to another branch located in city far from Maria. The two friends still wants to communicate their communication and exchange idea between both. They decide to continue their conversation using regular mail through the post office. You just consider this the current scenario is not used in nowadays because nowadays we have the WhatsApp, Facebook, and email, etc. So you consider the example in 1995 or 90s. Okay, then they do not want their ideas to be revealed by other people if the letters are intercepted. You see, here we can deal with three layers. The layer 3 is Maria and Anne, whether it may be a listen or talk, they post a letter, they are going to encryption, then in the receiver side is going to decryption. What is meant by encryption? If sending the plain text or original message is converted as a ciphertext. The message is converted as a another format is called as a encryption. The message is converted as a original format or plain text is called as a decryption. The sender of the letter encrypts it, make it unreadable by the intruder. So who are the intruder? So without the knowledge of the sender and the receiver, they are reading the message. The receiver of the letter decrypts it to get into their original letter. So protocol layering enable us to divide a complex task into several smaller and simpler tasks. For example, in this above diagram, If Maria and Anne decide that the encryption and decryption done by the machine is not enough to protect their secrecy, in present situation there needs to change only one the second layer machine instead of two all other two can remain the same. This is called as a modularity. Modularity in the case means independent of layers. The Maria and Anne, they are not agree with their encryption and decryption here. Here, the Maria and Anne just they want to change the encryption and decryption machine. Instead of changing all the three layers, they are only to change the second layer is enough. It is called as a modularity. A modularity is nothing but independent of layer. So here we are discussed about protocol layering. Thank you.